Hello everybody, I am Abhijit Banerjee and this is the fifth part of the resources and developments. And in this topic passage, I am going to discuss about the soil as a resources. Now the first topic is what is soil? First point, look at the first point. What is soil? You need to know the definition of the soil. Soil is the outermost crust of the earth. And you can say that the soil is the skin of the earth. Actually, soil is the mixture of organic matter, sand, clay and silt. Now the next topic is soil profile. And in the soil profile, the first point is the topsoil. Second is the subsoil, weathered rocks, sand and silt clay. And the third is substratum, weathered barren rock material, and the fourth is unweathered barren bed rock. Now the next point is the classification of soils, and the first soil is alluvial soils. Alluvial soils is a very important soil because it is a very fertile soil, and entire northern plain is made of this alluvial soil, and this alluvial soil deposited by three Himalayan river systems. One, the Ganga, second, the Brahmaputra, and the third, the Indus. And not only the northern plain, we can find this alluvial soil in Gujarat and Rajasthan also. And the eastern part and the eastern coastal part of our country, we can also find this alluvial soil, mainly the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Now we can say that as per age, alluvial soil is divided in two parts. One is made by old alluvial soil, is called Bangar, and another is made by new alluvial soil, it is called Khadar. And Khadar is more fertile than the Bangar. And this alluvial soil have a great nutrients of potash, phosphoric acid and the lime. And this alluvial soil is very important for our crops, and we can find sugarcane, paddy and wheat. Look at this Indian map, and this area is a northern plain, and in this area we can find the alluvial soil, and this Rajasthan we can also find the alluvial soil, and it is the Gujarat, and there we can also find this alluvial soil. The next topic is black soils. The black soil is also known as regut soil. Its color is a black, and it is also known as black cotton soil because it is great for the cotton growing. And we can find this black soil in Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And it is also well known for the holding moisture, and various type of nutrients also available in this black soil, and these are calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash and lime. Look at this Indian map, and this area we can find the black soil, and it is also known as Deccan Trough. The next point is red and yellow soils, and red soils develop on crystalline igneous rock, and we can find this type of soil in the eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau, and this soil is reddish because of the diffusion of iron, and it is yellow because of hydrated form. Look at this Indian map, and this area is the eastern side of Deccan Trough, and this is the southern part of the Deccan Trough, and here we can find this type of red and yellow soil. The next topic is laterite soils, and this laterite word derived from Latin word later, means brick. We can find this laterite soil in our country in the tropical and the subtropical climate, mainly the Western Ghat regions of Maharashtra, Odisha and some parts of West Bengal. And this soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. Look at this Indian map, And this area, the western Ghats of Maharashtra, we can find this laterite soil. And look, the Odisha and the including West Bengal, we can find this laterite soil. The next topic is arid soils. And these soils range red to brown in color, and it is generally sandy in texture and slime in nature. And in this soil we can find the lacks of humus and moisture, and we can find this soil mainly in western parts of the Rajasthan, because the high temperature and the dry climate condition just lacks the humus and moisture. So we need a proper irrigation to cultivate in these soils. And the next topic is forest soils. It is found in hilly and mountainous area and where the rainforest is available. The last topic is the soil erosion and the conservation. Soil erosion means the displacement of the upper portion of the soil, and this is happening due to deforestation, overgazing and construction or mining. And there are some natural phenomena just like wind, glacier and water, and these are the causes of the soil erosion. As we know that soil is a vital resource for the mankind, so we have to prevent this soil erosion. Now the question is, how can we prevent the soil erosion? There are few steps, and look at these steps. Number 1 point is afforestation. We have to planting trees. Number 2, trace cultivation. Trace cultivation can prevent the soil erosion. And number 3, strip cropping. Strip cropping can help to break down the force of the wind, and in this way it also stop the soil erosion. And the 4th point is to create a shelter bed through the trees, as trees can protect the wind, and trees also help to prevention of the soil erosion. And the last point is the proper irrigation system, and proper irrigation system can stop the soil erosion. And this is the ending of the lesson resources and development. Thank you.